Yo, what's poppin', big fellas? Thank you guys for tuning into another episode of my channel, and if you like the content and the information, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as that bell notification so that you're notified any and every time I drop some new heat. And also follow me on Instagram at Dondrick_Ray. Now, you guys read the title of this video. This is my first time doing this, alright? If you guys watched my first episode on the entire channel, I expressed to you guys that I am losing my hair. And I think it's just about that time to take that next step and maybe just go bald for a little while, see how it is. I know it's less maintenance, but at the same time, it's more maintenance because you gotta shave every so often instead of going to the barbershop maybe every 2 weeks. So we're gonna see how this works out. I did some research on how to do it, and so I'm, I guess, compiling everything that I've researched, and I'm gonna try to do it the best and most efficient way that I know how, but at the same time, a way that I won't put myself in danger or, you know, get razor bumps or anything like that on my head. So, what I'm using, I got this, what is it, Schick Edge Hydro? Edge or what, something, whatever. It looks like this. Then I got a Gillette Mach 3, which I've already opened. And I got 2 towels. I got a face towel, which is wet and hot. And I also have like a medium size dry off towel. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wet my hair. Sorry, I'm bending down, guys. Look, I don't have a tall enough tripod to be able to stand up straight. You know, this is a big and tall channel. You know, I'm 6'2". Well, I'm not that tall, but I am 6'2", so I am taller than the average person. And they just don't make stuff to fit us, which is why you guys are watching this channel. But this is the stuff that I got. I'm gonna go ahead and wet this towel. So first off, let me wet my head. So I wet my head. I take this hot towel and I'll just drape it over my head for a couple seconds just to open the pores. And makes the hair stand at attention so that they're easier to shave. But it is hot, so I'm gonna give this maybe like 10 more seconds and I'm gonna take it off. And then after that, I'm going to apply the shaving cream for the first time ever. So let's get to that. I gotta drop some pounds, man, for real. It came out as this particular one came out as a gel, so I'm gonna rub it in, just kind of lather my head with it, and make sure I get all the spots. Just water back home, wash my hand real quick. Now, for the moment of truth. Got the razor. My first attempt at ever shaving my head. Here we go. Okay, so I don't know if at the beginning of the video I mentioned if I was going to do, if I was going to go twice over, one with the grade and one against the grade, but I understand that going against the grain would make it even lower, but it's already, really kind of low now. And I just looked in the mirror, I already kind of seen some bumpage, like right on this side here. So I'm gonna just go ahead and stop. But really, that's how I did mine. So yeah, this is my first time shaving, so looks pretty good to me, just as long as I got the beard popping. The beard ain't really growing like I wanted to, but I'm also doing, it's been really kind of inconsistent, but I've also been doing the minoxidil beard thing. So been putting minoxidil over my beard. Really, that's how I got it to go to this point, because it was really light. And if you go on my Instagram, you can actually see where I started and where I ended up. Since then, I did lose a little gains, but I kept most of it. But I'm going to restart my minoxidil journey on my beard. So let me know, guys, if you want to see weekly updates on how I do on my minoxidil, and even how I apply it once in the morning and once at night. So that's gonna be it for me, guys. I got my head shaved. I'm happy with it. I'm sweating like a hooker in church. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you got any questions, and if you got any more video ideas, because this is a fashion and lifestyle channel specifically for the big guys. So anything you guys got questions about, I'm going to go ahead and do the research and put out videos and content for you guys, so that you guys won't be lacking in anything in any area, just like a normal guy would have. So go ahead, like I said, like, share, subscribe, especially with your big homies. And remember, just because you're big don't mean you can't stay fly. Peace.